It is time to refuel. Oliver has more experience here, and here it is 189, and because of such heavy traffic there are some traffic jams. It was very nice to meet you. Okay. Have a nice trip. Have a nice ride. Take care. Yeah. Thank you.
Good morning, guys. 6:30. I slept well. I am planning to reach Stelvio today. On the way there are two more passes. Passo del Tonale and Passo Gavia. It was a bit raining during the night, but I hope that the road will be dry till I put out my motorcycle. It is down there in the garage. I have to pack everything firstly, just like always, and then go to eat, and then I will be ready.
Welcome back on the road. I am leaving Lago di Tesero. It was a very nice experience being here. The lady there is very gentle. It's really friendly, and this is a new apartment house, I mean bed and breakfast, and it was a great experience. I paid 57 euros and half, not 65 like I mentioned in my previous video, but overall I can only tell you that it was great. I met a very nice guy, Oliver. He is Italian, and he is riding behind me. He will ride with me a piece of the road to Stelvio, and I enjoyed being with him. We spoke a lot about motorcycles, cars and stuff like this. He has a BMW GS, and we had fun, really. Oliver, if you're watching this one, thanks for the conversation and for everything. Yeah, we have around 2 hours and 20 minutes to reach Passo del Tonale, and then just to proceed. The road there, it's gonna be twisty. I already know it, and not so easy. That's why I have to be prepared and take care. Oliver is in front of me. Now you can see his GS, and we are proceeding to Passo del Tonale firstly. This is a 1200 BMW GS. He is a very satisfied owner, and I think that this is his second BMW, but he had many bikes. We were talking yesterday a lot about bikes, a lot about cars and so on, so a really nice evening with an Italian guy, Oliver. it is time to refuel. Oliver has more experience here, and here it is 189 to refuel, so it's gonna be okay for me, because it's always better to save some money, you know. This was just great from Oliver. I believe that the prices of fuel just before those three passes, I mean Passo del Tonale and so on, are a lot higher, so around 2 euros and even higher in my opinion. We are already in South Tyrol, and this is the Valles and Bolzano just ahead. You see the vineyards there down. Here you can see it. Very, very nice. And the mountains up there. Really, really great. Oliver stopped there. He is going back now because he will explore this area even a bit more. He just decided to do a part of the road with me, and it was a nice experience talking with him. He is a great guy. He said that he is gonna follow my channel, and I am happy, and what can I say more? Let's proceed, guys. We have around 80 kilometers to reach Passo del Tonale, and the road is just ahead. Look at this too. Look at this. Man, I don't really know what to say. In the middle of the road, in the middle of nowhere, of nothing, walking. I don't know. Till now it was just a boring road. I didn't film that much. I have around 70 kilometers, a little bit less, let me check. I have 51 kilometers to reach Passo del Tonale, and this is gonna be let's say 1 hour ride. This is what the Google Maps is saying to me right now. Bermulo, a small town, Bermulo. Very soon the road is gonna start climbing, because I have only 40 kilometers to reach the top of the Passo del Tonale. I am not far away. Passo Tonale, solo dritto, just ahead, straight ahead. Here you can see some spectacular views like this one. This is very high from the sea level there. I'm sure that it's more than 2000 meters above the sea level. As we can see, guys, it is quite complicated. Some traffic jams, but also some very unpleasant situations with trucks and with encounters like this one. I hope that the truck will have enough space to pass. What a beauty. There is a guy in front of me on the Vespa, a very old one. To be honest, the road is not that great. I mean, there are some potholes like here, you know, and you have to take care, really. This is the top. The temperature drops to 21 degrees Celsius, and these are last twisties before I will reach the top. This is the most developed and the biggest. I mean, here are a lot of buildings, a lot of hotels, a lot of restaurants. Here it is even the marketplace, as you can see on the right. People just sell goods, and here you can find everything. It's like a town. Okay. The famous Vespa TN, so probably Trento, I think. A very old registration plate with the spare tire. Great. And we are more than 1800 meters above the sea level. Carabinieris are there checking, doing their job. Let's go for a coffee now. The Trentino is right, Lombardy it's on the left, and the next pass is Gavia. We are around 1,600 meters above the sea level, and there is still 12 kilometers left to reach the top. You have to be really careful here. The road is not secured. Okay. Here you can see nothing, no fence, nothing. Here you can see the view, and in the same time you should be really careful, because here down it's only death. In a way, the Gavia Pass, it's similar to Mangard Saddle in Slovenia. It is also very, very, let's say, twisty and narrow road leading to the Mangard Saddle. So that road, it's in a way similar. Amazing view to the mountains. This is the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 in the Aurora trim, or let's say color, with these very nice bags. Looks really, really amazing. And the owner is Claudio, an Italian guy. Very, very nice. I just made a stop here to show you the view. The view is just magnificent, really, 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 really nice. Ice and snow there, it's there for the whole year. And waterfalls are also very nice to see. Another one is there. I have another 5 minutes maybe to reach the top from here. Ok Claudio.
Ok, dai, ti saluto.
Sì, sì, grazie per le foto. Mio piacere, sì. Fammi qualche commento. Sì, fammi qualche commento e poi ci scriviamo, Grazie di tutto, buona strada, eh? Ciao, ciao, grazie.
Sta attento al
Sì, sì,
giù i matti.
sì, sì, grazie, grazie. Let's go. "19 degrees, almost on the top." This is the top, Passo Gavia. This is more than 2000 meters above the sea level. We'll see right now the exact number. Yeah. "2,652, a little bit less than the Stelvio. The mobile signal here, it's very weak. On some part is not existent, but this is pure heaven on earth. Just look at the mountains, look at the view. Really nice, very enjoyable. I recommend. The road still here, it's a bit dangerous. You have to be very careful, because some parts are not secured. There is no fence, but otherwise I am very happy that I am here right now. This is a well-known town, a proper winter sports town here in Italy. Bormio. Here we are, guys. And from here the road to Stelvio starts just climbing. Man, this is crazy. Are you gonna go or what? I have to get rid of this one, and that is gonna be very soon. very nice. I am impressed. This is probably very close to the top, but I am not sure because I have to check right now. Let's see. 6 kilometers more to do. The view from the top. I just met a couple from El Salvador, and let me shake the hand. What's your name?
Nelson.
Nelson, nice to meet you. Gregor.
Maria Rene.
Nice to meet you, Gregor. Yeah, they're traveling from the other part of the world, and this is not their first time in Europe. So this is their bike. He is probably a very strong Ducati fan. I believe so, because he has a Ducati, yeah. And here are his stickers from the trips, probably.
Yes, of course.
Great.
Been all the way to Alaska,
Uh-huh.
also to Argentina.
Uh-huh. From Alaska to, yeah, with Ducati.
With this bike,
This bike. How many kilometers does it have?
more than 180.
180,000.
Yes.
Nice. Nice job, Ducati, yeah?
Yes, yes.
It was very nice to meet you, okay.
Okay.
Have a nice trip, have a nice ride, take care. Yeah, thank you. The temperature is 20 degrees, so very warm for the Stelvio. And today is the 18th of July. Now I am heading direction Merano, South Tyrol. They say that the northern part of the Stelvio, it is a bit harder to ride, but we'll see right now. We'll see. I finally found a restaurant and I ate pizza. There are not a lot of possibilities here regarding restaurants when you are passing Stelvio. So here on the northern side you just don't have so many restaurants, and those that you have are not open, or at least they are not working between 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock p.m. So strange, but it is just like I explained. So here the waitress, the lady, was very kind, and she said that they are gonna do an exception, and I got a very nice pizza and just drank orange juice, and it was just very, very tasty. I am quite close to my apartment, to my room, Pension Kofler. This is where I booked, and I have to tell you that today I am gonna loop the chain once again, and I just will not clean it because I don't have more diesel with me. I consumed everything 2 days ago.
Let me show you the room. This is my room. As you can see, I have 2 beds and the toilet with the shower, and this comes 70 euro including breakfast. And I have to tell you that I have my motorcycle in the garage, so it's safe. This is all for today. I covered 280 kilometers. I did 3 passes: Passo del Tonale, Passo Gavia and Passo Stelvio. The Stelvio was really nice. I enjoyed riding there. You know, it is really huge. I mean, you're going up, and there is almost endless road, you know. I'm gonna return there for sure. Tomorrow I'm going home, so I will have quite a lot of highway, and it's gonna be boring, but this is just how it is always. Thanks for watching, guys. Do me a favor and subscribe. I need some likes, and till the next one. Tomorrow is another day.
Among all the passes that I rode these days from Monday till today is Friday, the 19th of July, I have to mention 2 of them that I liked very much.